Come here, so Daddy, you can go backwards. Push back again. Go! Oh, it's a little bit. Say, hey, Daddy. There we go, there's some more. Now he's got to teach him to go frontwards. There's some more. Say, hey, Daddy. Say, we love you, Alex. Say it. Say, I love you, Alex.
I love you, Alex.
Say, I love you, Daddy. Say, I love you, Daddy. What? What was that? Is that good? You just threw up in your mouth and swallowed it. What's Bubby doing? Is he acting crazy? See, look, Daddy, we done scooted halfway across the kitchen, little by little. Bubby's acting crazy, huh? Well, we love you.